Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner. Today we are going to talk about a very serious issue that affecting a lot of Walmart seller in the USA. Actually, there is a major bug inside Walmart Seller Center, and because of it, many honest sellers are getting their account suspended automatically. The shocking part is the issue is linked to old Walmart deleted listings, product that seller removed years before but still somehow exists in Walmart backend database. That's why this major issue is happening on Walmart Seller Center. So let's start, friends. So first of all, we are going to discuss what actually happening. Many sellers deleted some of their listings 2 or 3 years ago, but those items were never fully removed from Walmart internal systems. So when Walmart actually system run a policy violation scan, it still deduct those old deleted listings and assume that the seller is violating policies of selling restricted products. So the results, what happening for that? The account gets suspended even though the seller did nothing wrong with their accounts. So next we are going to discuss how EcomCorner discovers this bug. At EcomCorner, several sellers from our community reported this exact issue. We started investigating their cases and noticed a clear pattern. All those accounts had something in common. Their old deleted item IDs still exist somewhere deep in Walmart database. We gathered the data, screenshots and timestamps and reported it directly to Walmart support team. After detailed discussion, Walmart team acknowledged that a backend glitch was affecting multiple accounts. So yes, it's real issue, not just random suspension. So we are now discussing the impact. The bug has already caused major trouble for many sellers. Some have lost access to their stores, revenue, and even long-term buyer relationships. The scariest part is that sellers don't even realize what triggered the suspension. Because of their dashboard, those old products appear deleted, but in the backend, Walmart system still see them as active. So here is the solution for you. Now, if your account has been suspended because of this bug, don't panic. There is a proven solution that helps multiple sellers get reinstated. Here is what you need to do step by step. The first step is open a new support case in Walmart Seller Center under account suspension policy violation. Second step, clearly write this message. We believe this suspension may be related to a backend data error where previously deleted items are still present in Walmart database. Please verify and remove any legacy listings associated with our account. The third step is attach proof such as screenshots showing you deleted those items, old feed logs or case numbers confirming their removal. So you can do that. The fourth step is request escalation to the advanced support team or trust and safety team. Once Walmart verify that the issue is indeed systems related, they reinstate the account within 7 to 10 days. So how to prevent this issue in the future? To protect your account from this type of issue in the future, always download and save your deleted listing feed as backup. And never reuse the same SKU for different products. Also regularly audit your full item report in Seller Center and keep a record of every deletion request and support ticket. And the last one is stay updated through EcomCorner because we share real problems with real solutions. So friends, I hope if you are active sellers on Walmart, you must take this bug seriously. EcomCorner was the one of the first to identify this backend issue and report it to Walmart. And we have already helped several sellers recover their suspended accounts. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and comment. Your support helps us bring more powerful updates, seller insights, and real solutions. See you in next video, and until then, stay safe and keep selling smart. Friends, I hope you are loving our dropshipping series video. So if you are new to our video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you would like to connect with us on WhatsApp for instant chat, you can just scan the QR code from the screen, or you can contact us at 8756 919495. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.